Hi, Dave here, and thanks for checking out this video on how to get your free WordPress fitness website. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the site, how to customize it, and some requirements to get it launched successfully. Make sure to check out the working demo of the site. There's a link below this video. So yes, this is a free WordPress site. You're free to use the images, copy, layouts, and more. Everything including the images and copy are royalty free, which means you can use them without any copyright issues. While building this site, my main goal was to create something that can be customized very easily, which I'll show you later in the video. And another goal of mine was to make sure it included everything a gym would need. So let's get to it and I'll show you a quick overview. You'll notice immediately a strong call to action, which you can connect to a contact form or an online scheduling service. Here's the program section, photo gallery, a coaches section, your class schedule, pricing, testimonials, a Google map, and more. At the bottom here, there's also links to your social media profiles, and your contact info is laid out nice and clear. Separate pages for coaches, your schedule, pricing, testimonials, and your photo gallery. There's also separate pages for your programs, such as group training, personal training, strength training, kids fitness, and nutrition. You can choose to remove some of these or add additional ones on your own. There's also an events page and an online store in case you want to sell t-shirts or allow registrations for an event, such as a competition. There's a blog area, a contact page, and you can choose to add Facebook Messenger if you want. Now let me show you how easy it is to edit this site. You just go up here and click Enable Visual Builder, and it opens up a page over here like this. I can go right in here, and I can change the slides, these images back here. If I scroll down here, I can change this text up here. I'm just going to roll my mouse over it, and I'm going to click this module settings icon, and I could, if I didn't want to put the word free, I could take it out, or you can change the text there. You could just click on this text in here to change it, or you just click on this image to change out the image. Same with the photos. You just click on them and change them. And the photos of the coaches, you can just click on these right here and change them out. The class schedule is very easy to edit. You just click right in here. You can delete that time if you want, or you can delete this whole section right here if you don't have OpenGym. To save changes, you would go down here and then click Save. So as you can see, it's very easy to customize this website, but there are a few simple requirements that need to be met in order to be able to launch this website, and I'll send over full instructions once you claim your free site. First, you're going to need your own Divi WordPress theme license, since this site uses the Divi theme. It's one of the best and most affordable WordPress themes out there, but we can't legally share our Divi license unless you choose to have us build your site and launch it for you. A second requirement is you're going to need a WordPress hosting account. Maybe you already have one, but the best option would be to create a hosting account on our servers, since they are optimized for WordPress, and some of the video tutorials on how to set up the site are specific to the cPanel control panel that we offer with our hosting services. You'll be able to launch your site much quicker if you choose to get a web hosting account through us, and I'll send you over further instructions once you claim the free offer. And third, you're going to need some technical skills or the ability to learn from a collection of how-to video tutorials, which I'll show you on the next page after you subscribe. It's a collection of 22 step-by-step videos, which will show you how to customize and launch your WordPress website in just a few days. Now, this offer isn't for everyone, and I'm only giving this out free to a limited amount of people. If you'd like to download this free WordPress fitness website, enter your name and email address below, and I'll send it over right away. Please make sure to check your junk email folder, since spam filters can sometimes capture legitimate emails. I want to thank you for your time for checking this out, and I look forward to helping you get your new WordPress website launched very soon.